Good afternoon, everybody. I am the honor to have the last session of the day, so I'm keeping everyone from the drinks in the bar. But my name is Joe McClung. I am the president of FloodGate Medical. We're one of the lead talent firms in the med device space. And I want to talk to you about something that's near and dear to my heart. I don't know if you guys are fans of Dan Sullivan, strategic coach, but one of my favorite things I love from him is he talks about the who, not the how. And for entrepreneurs, that's one of the hardest things because you're always thinking about how to do it, how to design. But the people that find the who, I see the impact. We've had in our line of work, I've seen some of our clients who instead of asking, how do we do a regulatory pathway, they instead ask, who do I find to be my head of regulatory? And one of our clients cut months off their pathway. Another one of our clients, instead of asking, how do I increase my profit margins as we go to commercialization, found a head of product development that found 17 points in their COGS without reducing quality. So it's that who, not the how, that matters. So I know what you're probably thinking. How do I find those people? Wrong question. It's the who that you got to ask. And the who, a lot of times, is a partner that lives and breathes in finding the right talent you need. There's a lot, that's what FloodGate does best, but there's a lot of other companies out there, and it's important that you find the right who for your business. So here's a couple questions for you to be able to ask. One, do they understand the space? They know where they're coming from. Can they be able to tell your story correctly in the market? Because it's not about the brand today, it's about the brand as you grow into the market to attract the right people. Also being able to tell the story to attract those kind of candidates that are busy. They're focused on what they're doing now. So you need someone who can tell a story that gets them excited, picks their head up, does something different. The other important element that you need to ask about is time, right? Time is your biggest value. How are they saving you time? By vetting the candidates correctly, making it seamless and easy for you to understand. And then secondly, how long does it take to get that person in place? Because in many of these roles, time is money. We'd love to be able to answer those questions a little more, but a little more about us, the who. FloodGate Medical, we've been in Medtech only for 30 years. That is our world. We have over 220,000 in our database. We place over 400 people every single year in this space, so we understand it. And I talked about that candidate that's already working heads down. 81% of our candidates are passive. And we vet to a level to not only find the experience, but the culture. So we get an 89% stick rate. So you're finding the candidates that stick, stay, change cultures, because we know how costly that absolutely can be.